According to the Urban Institute, the average wealth gap between renters and homeowners is $1.37 million. Now, the median gap between renters and homeowners is $386,000. And why is that a big difference? It's because most of the homeowners are baby boomers who've enjoyed the benefits of home ownership for many, many years. So they've enjoyed home appreciation, they've enjoyed the tax benefits. And so I'm urging you, millennials, Gen Xers who are renters, get on board and start small. And I'm going to go on a limb. I'm going to say there are affordable homes in most major cities across the country. And I'm going to show you one example right now. This is in Oakland, California. And this is a two bedroom, one bath house that's listed for sale for $299,000. And if you go to readyforremodel.com, you can find any property across the country, click this button, found a fixer, take that address, copy it and paste it and import that property, and you'll have access to the tools that's going to help you buy that property, get a government loan that's going to help you not only buy it, but also get you all the money that you want to transform that house into a beautiful home that you love, fix it up, remodel it. And here at Ready for Remodel, you've got all the tools. So look at this. This is what the house looks like now. And with AI and some design ideas, you can get some great ideas of what that house could look like using AI. Now, there's no pictures of the inside of this house. So we're going to have to assume that this house is pretty jacked up on the inside. But don't worry about that because again, this government loan, the renovation loan, is going to give you all the money to transform it. And right here, we've got an accurate estimate. You don't even have to have a contractor come out initially to estimate what the costs are going to be. So if we put new exterior paint on, you can see 3,200 bucks. We can put in new windows, $6,600. We have three different levels of quality. So depending on your design ideas and your budget, you can go from good to better to best. And the difference between $6,000 and $14,000 in windows. So let's say you stick with the better windows. Let's say you want a better kitchen remodel. You're okay with good exterior doors. You want to put in some new exterior lighting. You want to put a new roof on, interior paint, interior doors. This is all building a bid that you can use for your remodel budget. Let's say you want to do a better bathroom, interior lighting, spruce up the switches, the outlets. A lot of those have older outlets and need to be modernized. Say you want to put a new water heater in. Let's say we upgrade from good to better, and you want to refresh the HVAC. So you got about $96,000 in remodeling costs. And as far as the quality, you can click this little question mark and it explains what good, better, best is. And you can click these little icons here and it gives you a detailed description of what that cost includes in each one of these line items. So you've got a renovation budget of just under $100,000. You can even add on an ADU to generate some positive income. And here's our payment builder. So the house is listed for just under 300,000. Your remodeling budget is under 100 grand. If you're an FHA buyer, you can get in with just 3.5% down, which is under $14,000. And it lets you know what your payment's going to be, $3,000 a month. Now, I mean, you can't rent a two bedroom, one bath, fully remodeled, renovated apartment for that much um, in the Bay Area. And so these are the tools that are going to help you get in the market. And again, the reason why that wealth gap is there between a homeowner and a renter is because there's certain benefits, financial benefits, tax benefits. You pay less you pay less income taxes on your taxes every year. You enjoy the appreciation. An average of 2 to 3% a year. Sometimes some years it's higher depending on where you are. So you enjoy the home appreciation, the tax advantage. You get to write off your interest and some of your other home expenses. And again, I looked in the average baby boomer has owned three homes in their lifetime. So this is your first home. Your starter home doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be in the perfect neighborhood, but you want to get started and buy a house and start to move up. And that next house that you buy is going to be in a better neighborhood, most likely, better schools where you're going to want to be. But getting in um, and taking advantage of appreciation and the tax benefit is going to get you a leg up on building wealth for your family and yourself. So I'm Skip Shanker, ready for remodel and helping you buy older homes that need to be modernized and transform them into homes that you love where you can thrive.